In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access cash flow report in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can quickly see how money moves in and out of your business. Start by opening QuickBooks Online in your browser so you're on the home page. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct company file and that your user role allows access to reports. This prevents confusion later if you don't see the options we're about to use. Once you're in, you're ready to navigate straight to the reporting tools. Next, look for the Custom Reports area. Depending on your layout, you'll find it within the Reports section. Click Custom Reports to continue. This area is where you can access saved report setups and quickly return to key financial views without rebuilding them each time. If your screen looks slightly different, use the search bar at the top of the Reports page and type Cash Flow to help surface the right area. From there, select Cash Flow Overview. This overview gives you a high-level picture of your cash position, including money coming in, money going out, and how those movements affect your available cash. It's a helpful stepping stone before opening the full report because it shows trends at a glance, so you can spot whether cash is tightening or improving over your chosen period. Inside the overview, click View Reports. This opens the detailed cash flow report behind the scenes of that overview. Here you'll see the breakdown that powers the summary, organized so you can trace where cash is generated and where it's being used. If you need a broader or narrower window, adjust the date range at the top to focus on a month, quarter, or year. You can also switch accounting method if needed, but keep it consistent with how you manage your books for accurate comparisons. Finally, click the highlighted report option you see on this screen. That highlighted link ensures you're loading the full detailed view tied to the cash flow overview you just used. Once it opens, review key sections like beginning cash balance, cash received from customers, cash paid to vendors and expenses, and the net change in cash. If the report looks busy, use filters to narrow by customer, vendor, or account, and collapse groupings to focus on the big picture first. When you've got a layout you like, save your customization so it's easy to find next time under Custom Reports. That's it. You've accessed the cash flow report in QuickBooks Online and know how to read and refine it for clarity